how to combine videos in Instagram Reels. In order to do that, just click on this plus icon right here and then click on the Reels option. So you can head over and then just select a reel that you want to use and then click on this add video option. So let me head over and then just select in here a specific timestamp that I want to present this reel. And then from in there, you can discard that clip and then you can add another clip clicking on this icon right here. Now, once you have done that, you can head over and record or add any clip you have right here to this particular case. So let me head over and add this right here. And then you can also just clip it or split it. So let me discard this and click on discard. Now, when you click on display icon, you can see that two videos has been combined in one particular reel. Now, from in there, you can click on this next icon or arrow icon, and then you can share it to your profile on Instagram. So that's how you combine videos and Instagram Reels. Hope we helped.